I hate this. I really do. I hate this eye look. Sorry. So I hated that whole eye look so much. I'm starting over. Hello angels and welcome to today's video. Welcome to another installment of your TOOTorial Tuesday. It's a video series where I give you a tutorial on a new makeup look and a toot or a shout out to a certain product. So anyway, that is what we're going to be doing today. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Today's video, I am going to be using 3 of my favorite Morphe palettes in order to create one eye look. Yes, you heard right. 3 different palettes. I do all the time. This one, you must forgive how dusty she looks, is by Jaclyn Hill in collaboration with Morphe, and it features 35 stunning shades, and you can tell my most favorite ones is the 35V palette, and I love these beautiful blues over here. The last one is the James Charles palette, pretty new to this one. Right, angels, so I'm going to get my skin prepped and primed. I've shown you before how I do that. But I'm going to get you zoomed in, and then we're going to jump right into these palettes. When I'm using bright colors on the lid, I go a little bit lighter as far as the concealer or primer, whatever I use on the eyelid to prime. The 35V palette, and I'm going to be working with these lovely little burgundy shades in this group right here. And I'm going to blend that into my crease. Just above, just to really smoke that out. You see how easily these colors really blend. They're going to use a clean shader brush and just smooth out the edges there. Taking that on a small, tiny little brush, and I'm just going to work that into the crease. Give me a little bit of a line here, separation, if you will, and then blend it out. Now that Addicted is worked into the crease to just really define that, I'm going to use Heartbreaker on the inner portion of the lid. That's this shade right here. I'm just going to apply that with my finger. So pat that right on the inner corner. Going to, I should say the middle. I'm going to switch to the Jaclyn Hill palette. Crayon Apple. This little shade right here. Again, just using my finger. So just patting that on the outer V just to give it a little bit more pop of a color on the outside there. To the James Charles palette. And I don't have my little insert, so I don't know the shade names, but I will pop it on the screen as they come up. Probably one of my favorite colors from this palette is this beautiful shimmery purple. And I always apply that again with my finger in the middle. Just for a little contrast of color. See how that changes it up so much? And then adding a little bit more and blending all 3 colors together. Go ahead and get the other eye caught up, and I will be right back. With both eyes caught up to right where I want them to be, I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of my face makeup applied and show you how I do that. And I'll be right back and do the wing and the under eye. Be right back, angels. work on the under eye. And for that, I'm going to go back into the 35V palette. I'm gonna use this pretty blue underneath the eye, and that shade name is Hit It Off. Under eyes are looking a little dry. So let me show you a trick with that. You take a little of your favorite setting spray, spray it on a makeup sponge, preferably the one that you use to apply your foundation. Just gently pat it underneath the eye. And make sure you're using a one that does not have like alcohol in it to dry out the under eye. You want it to just brighten it up. So now you see those under eyes are just more perked up and not as dry and crusty looking. There we go. So I'm going to take that beautiful blue shade, which was named Hit It Off, smudge brush that on the outer rim. Again, just smudging that on the outer V, using that smudge brush. And then you go back and take all of the product off of the brush and just lightly blend that down and smoke it out a little bit. Applying it on there, small windshield wiper motions. Clean off the brush. And you have to do this several times to get it to the desire that you want. Softness, or if you want it more of a straight line. Inner corner, I think I'm going to use, what is this, Knockout. This really bright icy color, and I think that's really going to intensify this eye look. That is exciting. A little small brush here. This is a really creamy color. Inner corner with a little dot here. Then just blend it up into that other color. That first color that we used, I think it was called Heartbreak. Go ahead and you can carry this in down at the bottom to meet the blue. I actually want to try a different color for that. I want to go to the one next to it called Swipe Right. So it's not as intense of a color, just to soften up that blue right there. With a wing, you have a couple of different options that you can do here. You can use these little tapes like I have. Apply a little tapey tape. Awesome. The other one on the other side. You just need enough to do a wing. Start with the top. Meet up with that tape there. Then with a different liner. No bios, let's see. Bam, we got ourselves a wang. That's lovely. See what we got. Did it work? Wow, that's the easiest line I've ever done. I love this. I love this. I love this. All right, well, angels, I'm going to go ahead and get you guys zoomed out, finish off my eyes, get some mascara on, and find a cool lip, and I will be right back with my final thoughts and my toot for the day. Be right back. Alright angels, this is the completed look. I really hope that you like this video series. If you do, please leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think, or if there's a certain product you want me to talk about next up on the channel. Loreal Infallible paints matte, and I think it's very neutral so it doesn't take away from the eye look, which is colorful and dramatic like always. Alright angels, time for your toot of the day, and your toot of today is of course the brand Morphe. They are some of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I own several of them, and I think they are the best of quality. There's been a lot of backlash with certain eyeshadow brands, but Morphe has always come through for me. Their colors are rich, beautiful, and pigmented, and they're consistently good no matter what colors you go with. You can see, I'll try some on the back of my hand here. They're always consistently good. Always, always, always. Never let me down. There's been a few palettes that they've put out that I don't rave about as much as I do some others, but for the most part they are one of my favorite eyeshadow brands. So I will of course link them down below so that you can shop their products and enjoy it. I don't have a discount code or anything with them, so just feel free to go crazy because they're very affordable brand and they're amazing. I really like them. Morphe. Well, angels, if you've watched this far, thank you so much. I really do appreciate every single view that I get. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, all at Angels Makeup Mayhem. Do be an angel and click subscribe, then smash that notification bell so that you're notified every single time I upload a new video. All you angels should leave me a comment because I really love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, angels, and I'll see you in the next video. Pourless Putty Primer. Hey Google, how long will it take me to get to work?
It takes 19 minutes to drive to work. You can see the full directions on your phone.
Well, alright. Frank! Stop it! Start at the end. Frank! See, that's why I didn't let your ass in, because you make too much noise. Somebody once asked me, did you ever film an eye look or a makeup tutorial and never post it? Yep. Several times. Get on what I'm doing. Swiping right. That's a Tinder kind of thing, isn't it? I don't fucking know. I've been married for 9 years. Thank God. 2 colors together. That's it. You're out of here. Out. Get out. Don't scratch my door again. God. Oh, sorry about this dog. Well, that looks fashionable. Alright, well, that is your toot for today.